Jeremy Paxman has admitted he used to keep a loaded air rifle by the loo to shoot at pesky garden intruders, although the University Challenge presenter added that he has lost the urge to kill as he gets older. Jeremy Paxman, 73, has reflected on how aging has removed his urge to kill, as he recalled once keeping a loaded air rifle by the toilet so that he could shoot at garden pests from the window of his home. The University Challenge presenter, who is stepping down from the BBC show later this month, recalled a time when he would have taken the opportunity to shoot dead the squirrels on his lawn. In his new column for Saga Exceptional, he wrote about how times have changed. Jeremy, who suffers from Parkinson's disease, has spoken candidly about his declining health and the effects of aging. The journalist described a pack of squirrels playing in the tree outside his window, before admitting he would have once taken a very different approach with them. "I do not know for certain what they do," he wrote. "Perhaps they are courting, making love, or pursuing age-old vendettas." He then continued matter-of-factly, "There was a time when I would have taken the opportunity to shoot them dead. In fact, I permanently kept a loaded air rifle by the loo, ready for the time a shot presented itself and I could knock one out of the old apple tree on the front lawn." Jeremy went on to point out that grey squirrels, who were imported to the UK at the price of endangering our native red squirrels, were quite similar to rats. He also admitted to killing rats, without a backward glance, before adding, "I have changed, though. I no longer keep any kind of gun, and not merely because I live in a town where the slightest glimpse of such a thing would cause panic. Nor do I deny the damage caused to young trees by squirrels. I just don't want to kill them any longer," he explained. "I recognize that losing the urge to kill is a product of age." Jeremy also pointed out that it would never be an equal struggle between himself and the animals in his garden, as they are not armed with weapons. He added, "The older I get, the more I want things to live and let live.